For this next problem, we're asked to find the area of the given quadrilateral. We're given this quadrilateral here. One of the angle measures is 72 degrees, and we have sides of length 5, 11, 8, and 7. To begin with, we're going to draw a diagonal. We're going to call the length of that diagonal D. And what that does is divides up our quadrilateral region here into two triangular regions. We have an upper triangular region and a lower triangular region. We're going to find the areas of these individually and then add them together. We'll start by finding the area of the upper triangular region. Since we know this angle measure, we're going to go ahead and use our formula that the area is equal to 1/2 A times B times the sine of gamma. We'll just call this angle gamma. Using that formula, we get that the area is 1/2 times 5 times 11 times the sine of 72 degrees. Note that we're using these two sides on either side of the angle. If we evaluate this, we'll find that the area of the upper triangular region, we're going to call that A sub u for upper, that's going to be about 26.15 square units. Next, we'd like to find this value for D, the length of this diagonal. To do that, we're going to use the law of cosines. We'll have D squared is equal to 5 squared plus 11 squared minus 2 times 5 times 11 times the cosine of 72 degrees. If we evaluate that, we'll get the D squared is equal to about 112.008. And taking the square root gives us that D is approximately 10.58. Now we can go on to finding the area of the lower triangular region. Gone ahead and redrawn our diagram. We've put in that D is equal to 10.58. We want to find the area of the lower triangular region. We just found that the area of the upper triangular region, A sub u, is equal to 26.15 square units. We'll need that to get the total area. We're going to use Heron's formula to get the area of the lower triangular region. We're going to need S for that, the semi-perimeter. That's going to be 1/2 times 7 plus 8 plus 10.58. It's just the sum of our three sides. So we'll find that S is equal to 12.79. We can find the area of our lower triangular region, we'll call it A sub L, L for lower, is going to equal the square root of 12.79 times 5.79 times 4.79 times 2.21. And if we evaluate that, we'll see that the area of the lower triangular region is approximately 28.00 square units. Now that we have the two separate areas, we can add those together to get the total area of the quadrilateral. So we'll have that the total area is equal to the area of the upper triangular region plus the area of the lower triangular region. It's 26.15 plus 28.00. And so our total area for the quadrilateral will be 54.15 square units.